Hey, I'm Josh Weaver here with RaVolt. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about a new integration that we're introducing into the market with our product. This system here is capable of doing up to 30 kilowatt hours of storage per box, which is really great for small off-grid. Double this together and get 60 kilowatt hours of storage. You can get a larger home fully off-grid capable. Power out options that you have using the distribution panel that is a part of the loadout system of a standard RaVolt box. If you're a regular installer, all you're going to do here is come in either through the side right here or the back side, or you can come through the bottom. And bring in and land on these feed-through lugs right here. This allows you to service the main panel of the home. The points on the inside of the box that can help you with the installation day. This convenient outlet available for you. This will be 120 power for you. Line 1 in neutral for any 120 volt connection that you need to make. Yeah, a cooling and a heating thermostat. Scan this nice code here. It will get you the most up-to-date installation manual.